Hey MB crew, so we're going to jump right in. The unit that I'm going to be showing you guys is from MyQualityHair. I absolutely love MyQualityHair, and this is their Kinky Curly Short Bob Wig. It's an Indian version hair. It's in its natural color, 8 inches, 150 density, 13 by 6 lace front, and it does have tracks in the back. So I went ahead and co-washed the hair off camera, and I'm using this LottaBody mousse. I've been loving this mousse. Now you guys definitely can skip this part. When you wash your wig, don't put the mousse on, because you're gonna have to do this again once the wig dries, you know what I'm saying, unless you're gonna put the wig straight on your head. But I let my wig dry overnight. So I'm gonna take some Eco Styler gel and I'm gonna put that around my hairline, and I'm literally just gonna brush my hairline back. And then I'm just going to apply my wig cap. Now we're doing Mona B's Ratchet Install. Y'all know I keep it real simple when I install my units. I don't be doing all that fancy smashy. But the wig does come with a attached elastic band that is adjustable, which I think is so great. I love that. So I'm going to take some foundation and I'm literally going to put that all over the lace so that it matches my skin tone. And I did adjust the adjustable straps as well. This is a cap size small. The wigs do come in different cap sizes, but I always get a small because I have a small head. I decided to go ahead and use some of the yellow Got2b glue just a little bit around my hairline, but I'm not really putting the gel on my hairline. I'm kind of just putting it on my skin rather. So I'm just applying that, and then I'm going to pull the wig down on top of it just to secure it into place. Now, you can wear this wig glueless. You do not have to glue this unit down or anything, guys. You don't have to do this, but I just decided to do it. And then I'm just kind of like setting it into place and making sure that I got it how I want it to be. And I love my quality wigs because the construction of the wigs are amazing. Like, they always fit my head so good that I don't have to make that many adjustments. And so I'm just going to take some Got2b Glue Freeze Spray and spray that on the perimeter, the hairline. And then I'm going to take my scarf and tie that down so that everything stays into place. I'm going to take some alcohol and I'm just going to wipe away any of the gel or freeze spray that like dried up. And as you guys can see, the wig looks really nice already. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and they also do include baby hairs that you can make shorter if you like. So I really like that. Like, I didn't do anything to this wig, y'all. Like, all I did was co-wash it. So now I'm spraying it down with water, and that's why I said to skip the part when I washed it and then did the mousse, because if you're gonna let the wig dry overnight, you're gonna have to wet it down again to get the look that you want. So I'm gonna go back in with the mousse and apply the mousse. You want your hair to stay in the wet look all day. What you need to do is apply gel, okay? Gel is going to give it that hold, and then apply some strong hold mousse on top. Now, I didn't mind my hair drying up because I wanted to see what the wig would look like wet and dry, and I wanted to be able to show you guys as well. So as you guys can see, this is what the wig looks like wet. I love this unit, y'all. Like, I just love it, and they did a phenomenal job on the cut. But as y'all can see, I went back in with some strong hold mousse, but MyQualityHair did such a good job on this cut. Like, I did not go in and cut it or touch it up or anything. And look at the hairline. Like, I didn't even have to add any baby hairs, honestly. So the hair is minimal shedding, so that's about how much hair I got when raking my fingers through it. And I decided to go ahead and do a few little baby hairs, but you honestly don't even have to do this with this wig. Like, they plucked this wig really good, because I do not like plucking wigs, like, at all. Like, I don't. Here's the wig from all angles. I love this wig so much, and y'all, it is so affordable. Just click the link in the description box below and see for yourself how affordable this unit is. And it is just so cute, perfect for fall and winter. I love it. So y'all already know I had to test it out and make sure I could do me a little half up, half down. I left the sideburns out on the side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it into a ponytail. You can do a bun, but I just decided to do like a little curly ponytail puff, and this is how it turned out. Look at that hairline, it looks so popping, and the hair has a lot of body. I absolutely love it. Just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like when it dries, because if you wanted to stay with the wet look, use gel, but I think it looks so cute. It has so much body. You can really see like the cut. It's like a cute little heart-shaped cut. I love it. So everything about My Quality Hair will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check there. Make sure you guys use my coupon code Mona10. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.